So this question says Olympic and high school women use the 8.8-pound shot put in track and field competitions. The motion is described by the function negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 240, where h of t represents the height in feet of the shot put above ground with respect to time in t seconds. What is the meaning of the point 411? And then we're going to pick another point, explain what it means, and we're going to find the y-intercept of this graph. So remember they said h of t is the height, and or t is the time in seconds. So when we think about the point 411, it would mean that after 4 seconds, the shot put is at a height of 111 feet, right, in the air. And it appears that it's coming back down at that point in time based on our graph. We're to pick another point. You can pick any other point on the graph. Remember, your t represents time and your y or your h of t represents the height of the shot put. So any other point. So if I picked the point right here, which is like 2 seconds, that looks like about 240 as well. So after 2 seconds, the shot put was 240 feet in the air. The x-intercepts are going to be negative 30 and 50. Now, since this, in this case, time is realistic, you can't really have negative time, right? So the x-intercept would not, that's negative, would actually not count. Because the domain is restricted, and you're going to learn about this as you move on further. So the one that would really matter in this situation would be 50, and that would mean that in 5 seconds the shot put was on the ground. How do we know that? Because the height is 0 feet, and 0 would generally represent the ground. Lastly, the y-intercept would be the point 0240. It represents the initial height of the shot put above ground. So when it was about to be tossed, it was actually 240 feet above ground. That's the initial height.